Hi friends, now let us take up OFG-8. This is the 8th program in our OCJP Feel Good web series. This is declaring user-defined constructor and instantiating n number of objects. Already we worked out with user-defined constructor. However, I want to show it to you. You should form an idea. Once we define a constructor, any number of objects we can create of the same type. That point you have to understand. In order to focus on that point, this program I have given to you. This is class book. Book class I have defined. For that, three instance variables I have defined. One is title, second one is number of pages, third one is price. Okay. Now defining constructor already I showed to you, and here one thing once again I am telling you, while you are defining parameters string t1, then tl, int np, float pr, like short names you can use. Short names also just don't use abc. Just now see, title tl I used, number of pages np I used, price pr I used. Like that, it is slight a little indicative, but don't use just abc and all that. Okay, that is not good. That is not the professionalism. Then first, how we are defining and all that. One thing I am telling you, hands on. Again and again I am telling. You're simply seeing nothing is great. Everything looks simple. Whenever we want to do, some doubt or error will come. That point you have to understand. So first we see that a blueprint class we are defining. In that, three instance variables, one constructor we have defined. Now thereafter, one more instance method we are defining for printing the details of the book. See that already I told you many times. Every time I tell you, if you don't have command over SOP, system.out.println, you have to waste a lot of time in writing. Number two, if you don't have command, obviously commit error, then you have to waste time. Number three, format. How to format, and only by practice you can get, by using the proper escape sequence and all that, you can do that. So be serious on this. One time, 1 hour practice is enough. In every program you can save a lot of time. Okay, now let us come to main, and this is the implementation class. In this, now we see I have defined two titles, title 1 and title 2. Title 1, see all clear, 1000 pages, 690 rupees. One thing don't forget, whenever you are initializing floating point value, then 0f. Otherwise, if you put f also, nothing wrong, but why you do that? Now float means you do this. If you forget, it may lead to error. Every simple point, what I suggest you know, whenever if you are preparing for OCJP exam, whatever, because whatever is simple for me, it may be difficult for you. That's why, being a student, it is obvious. Whatever new point you find out, then you make your notes in your own words. You can easily identify. Then you see, this is one point. Whenever you are initializing float value, f either uppercase or lowercase, you must prefix. Instead of lowercase are not completely readable, that's why uppercase use. And one more object I have created, that is T2, in this Python all clear 600 690 f, like that. Now these two objects details we have printed by calling the corresponding instance method demo book. Here one point always remember, certain government quarters are there. How many blueprints you require? Suppose 100 railway quarters are there. According to me, many quarters are alike. One blueprint is enough. 100 blueprints are not required. In the same way, here I may have 10 titles. 10 titles, one blueprint is required. For all the titles, all the books, same details I give. That is name of the book, number of pages, rate, and a few other details also. That we have to insert in the blueprint class. This point should be established in your mind. Then only you can implement them correctly.